Hello everyone, my name is Yelena. For over 30 years, dance has been my lifestyle, my career, my passion, and overall the greatest joy. But what excites me most today is to welcome you to the Jess Dance experience. Whether you're here looking for something fun to do or some kind of a different fitness program, or you simply would like to start your dance journey, I am truly pleased that you chose us. So I'm very excited and looking forward to meet you and welcome you to the Jess Dance community. If you're looking at our website, you can find different dance styles, programs, and packages so you can shape your dance experience that fits you the best. Also, you can suit your lifestyle to start the way you like it. So now, open up the Dance Deals page and you can simply click on a package that you would like to take. Open up, fill out the form, and one click away, it's having you booked with the time and the day that fits you the best. If you are having further questions, you can just simply click on a call button and we will get answer to any of those. Also, if you have uncertainty about your schedule, you can just fill out the form that says become a member. And Jess Dance is going to get in touch with you and find the best way to get you started. See you soon on the dance floor.